Thanks for clicking today's video. Today's the bike check. But first, we know what's up. So today we're going to be doing a bike check on this baby. I'm going to tell you what I got on it. So here it is, boys. Look at that beauty. And I'm not talking about Bales over there either, because that's my little buddy. But we're talking about the green fuel over here. Look at this thing. It actually changes colors. Like, look in the forks, it's purple. And then green on the other side. But then I got some Thai rainbow spokes on my KHE super light tires with my Alienation rims. Purple alloy nipples, titanium spokes, titanium hubs in there. Titanium bolts maybe, not hubs, bolts. And then we got the green fuel Harry Main. I think it's a 27-degree offset forks. What's up, Bales? You trying to get in a video, bud? Aw. Then we got the Profile Racing stem. We got the Hitman bars. Look how beautiful these are. It's the only reason I got them is because they look so cool. And I'm pretty sure these are the friggin' Quan grips. A little worn out, but that's how I like them. I don't like new grips. And then we got a Colt seat. Pivotal. Little baby seat post. We got premium slims. What's up, Bales? Aw, trying to be in the video. I got the profile cranks. I got titanium in the spindle in there, and you can't see it. I got a shadow interlock. I got a profile sprocket. I don't know which one, but it's a profile sprocket. And I got in the back, as you see by the shiny silver, that's titanium. Titanium 9-tooth driver. That's a 28-tooth sprocket, by the way, guys. And I got the titanium spokes in the back. Titanium axle, titanium driver. Alloy nipples, super light KHE tires. Alienations in the back. Okay, and this is the Z coaster. So I got a cassette and a Freecoaster in one. Look at it. Self-filming here, guys. Take 2, I fucked up. Can't do it by myself. So this is where we're going back to the free Profile Z coaster, guys. Profile Z coaster. That means I got a cassette. Am I gonna film this time? I got a cassette and a fucking coaster in one. Check it out, guys. You pedal this way, cassette. Cassette. You pedal backwards 90 degrees. Ooh, coaster. Because I got a 90-degree slap ring in this bitch. Because, cassette. Coaster. Cassette. Coaster. Check it out, guys. We're in cassette mode right here. We're racing. But we want to ride street. Oh, we're going to hit coaster. Cassette. Oh, yeah. Coaster. Forward tricks. Yeah. Backwards tricks. Oh, yeah. So, that's pretty much it. So, look. You pedal forward. It's a cassette. You hear it? You hear it? Cassette. You don't hear it? Coaster. And that's pretty much all the secrets to my bike. You know? And that's my butt. That was better. That was better. Yeah. So that's the bike check, boys. If you liked today's video, give it the thumbs up. And if you really liked it, subscribe for more. I got a new camera coming. So this is probably going to be the last shitty video because quality sucks, I know guys, but thanks for dealing with it. Please subscribe for more, like the video. We got our 20 subscriber challenge coming up, guys. 20 subscribers, not a lot, but you got to start somewhere, boys. 20 subscribers coming up. We're at 18 fucking right now. You could be 19, you could be 20, you could be 21, you could be 100. Subscribe for more! Because me and Bales need it! Because we're over here chilling! Subscribe for more! Yeah!